A Colorado biotech just ran 88 people through a clinical trial of a daily pill engineered to copy the chemistry your body releases when you sprint, and not one single volunteer dropped out. 1 in 8 American adults is now on a GLP-1 drug. Those are medications like Ozempic. But the majority of people who take them mainly for weight loss stop within a year of starting. And when they stop, a University of Oxford review found that most of the weight comes back faster than with any other weight loss method. The pill that Enveda, a Boulder, Colorado biotech company, just tested in humans, is designed to be the answer to that exact moment of stopping. The question nobody has cracked yet is whether you can put the metabolic benefits of movement into a capsule without asking anyone to move. That is exactly what ENV-308 is trying to do. You are watching Future Cookie, and this is the story of a pill built from the chemistry of exercise itself. When you push hard in a workout, a sprint, a punishing hill, anything that leaves you doubled over and gasping, your muscles release lactate into your blood. Think of lactate as exhaust from a high-revving engine. It is the byproduct your body produces when it burns fuel at maximum speed. That lactate combines with an amino acid called phenylalanine, and together they form a single molecular signal. That signal is called Lac-Phe. Stanford scientist Jonathan Long and his team identified Lac-Phe in a 2022 Nature paper. It turned out to be one of the key reasons you feel less hungry after a hard workout. Lac-Phe tells the brain the body just burned hard, and the brain dials appetite back in response. In animal studies it shows raising Lac-Phe levels reduced obesity. And this is the part that sets it apart from existing drugs. Preserved lean muscle mass during weight loss. But natural Lac-Phe vanishes from the bloodstream too fast to be useful as a medicine. The moment you stop exercising, the signal fades. It is there, and then it is gone. So Enveda, using an AI platform called PRISM that maps molecules already produced by living organisms, engineered ENV-308. It is a daily oral pill designed to act the way Lac-Phe acts, but stay in the body long enough to do the job. Now here is what actually happened in the human trial. 88 healthy adult volunteers took ENV-308. Every single one completed the trial. No serious side effects. No one stopped early. And this is the part that matters most. If you know the GLP-1 story, with meaningful gastrointestinal problems, nausea and vomiting are the main reason people quit Ozempic-type medications, sometimes within weeks of starting. ENV-308 cleared that bar cleanly across the full dose range. The trial also measured leptin. Leptin is a hormone your fat cells release to tell your brain how much energy your body has stored. In people living with obesity, the brain goes numb to that signal. It just stops listening, and appetite never gets the memo that the tank is full. ENV-308 reduced leptin levels in the participants, who took it with the biggest drops in people who had the highest levels to begin with. Enveda calls this an exploratory signal, not a confirmed outcome. The trial was designed to test safety, not weight loss. But it points toward a mechanism that might help the brain start paying attention again. Think about what you reach for the morning after you stop something that was working. That pull back toward old patterns. Every system in your body lobbying for the familiar. Ask yourself honestly, how many times have you stopped a health routine and watched everything you built slowly disappear? Whatever that number is, you are not alone in it, and that specific experience is exactly what this pill is aimed at. The honest answer about what ENV-308 does in humans is still mostly ahead of us. The Phase 1 trial was a safety study in healthy people. That test is Phase 2, which Enveda is now planning. The animal data, preserved muscle, weight maintained without rebound, is encouraging. But animal results do not always carry into people, and researchers are honest about that gap. What Enveda has right now is a pill built from the actual chemistry of exercise, safe in 88 people, with a meaningful signal in the brain's appetite system, and none of the gut side effects that sink most weight loss drugs. That is a stronger starting line than most candidates reach. Whether ENV-308 becomes the thing people take after stopping Ozempic or remains a promising early result depends entirely on what phase 2 shows. A Stanford characterized exercise molecule engineered into a daily pill, now moving toward a human weight loss trial. That is the frontier this story is actually reporting from. You just encountered something most people watching health news have not yet found. What question did this raise for you? Drop it in the comments. The sharpest one might become our next episode. Every great video this channel has made started with something someone in this community asked first. If you want to be here when phase 2 results land, and that is going to be one of the most watched clinical readouts in metabolic medicine, subscribe now. You will already understand the science when it happens, and that changes everything about how you follow it. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.